Elevate your ride with the Type S Optic Trim LED Kit, a sleek, low-profile lighting solution designed to enhance your vehicle's interior. Welcome to the Type S Garage. I'm Isaac, and today we're going to take a look at our brand new Type S Optic Trim LED Kit. Let's take a closer look at our Optic Trim LED Kit. This kit comes with two 84-inch optic trim pieces. That's a total of 14 feet. Coming off the optic trim is your light emitter. The light emitter pushes out the light through the trim. Coming from the light emitters is the extension cable. This extension cable goes to your hub controller. The hub controller communicates with your RF remote control that will allow you to control your colors and other light modes. You can turn your light kit on and off through the remote or through the switch that's on your 12-volt adapter. The 12-volt adapter plugs into your cigarette lighter plug. We include some 3M double-sided adhesive. The adhesive is to help you to secure your control hub. You can also utilize the adhesive to mount your light emitters. We include two screws. If you want to permanently install your light emitters, you can back out the current screw that's in your light emitter and install these slightly longer screws to go directly into your vehicle. We also include a Type S trim pry tool to help with your installation. If you have any questions or issues during your install, please reference the manual that comes with your product, contact our customer service, or visit typesauto.com.